Are you planning to create the meeting or video hosting features for your business so that you can host your meetings and events in your brandable website? Do you want a powerful solution that you can use instantly without hiring any developer? If yes, then you are in the right place, because Cloudpresenter Lifetime Deal is here to help you out. Cloudpresenter is an all-in-one video conferencing platform that lets you host meetings, virtual events, and online courses all in one place. Best for, the features of Cloudpresenter will best benefit educators, solopreneurs, or remote teams who need to go online meetings or events and want to keep everything branded. Alternative to, there are some alternative tools that you will find on the internet of a Cloudpresenter, but the problem you will find is that those tools actually cost a lot. The most popular alternative of Cloudpresenter is Zoom and GoToWebinar. Zoom costs $149 per year, and GoToWebinar is more expensive. It costs $49 per month. So if you consider the pricing of these tools, you are actually paying a lot as you are being them again and again. And if you sum up all the bills over a year, then it will be huge. For GoToWebinar, it will be $588 per year. Being these hefty fees will drain a lot of money. But if you could get the features at just one-time payment, then it will be amazing. That's why today I have brought a Cloudpresenter Lifetime Deal to you. In this deal, you will just pay once and enjoy the features for life. And you are getting all of the features in one place. So it will save you a lot of time and empower you also. In this deal, you will also get a 60 days of no question asked money back guarantee. Cloudpresenter use cases. In this era of internet, everything has become virtual. And after the COVID, meetings and jobs has become remote. Everyone is joining to online meetings. Online meetings and virtual events has become very much important for businesses also. Also, most of the softwares like Zoom doesn't let you and your team members. So you need to manage all of the things by yourself. But when you are running a business, you cannot use just any tool for online meetings or virtual events or hosting video files. You need to add your brand logo to the softwares also. It increases your brand value. Online meetings are fast to organize and you can launch them on demand. It helps teams to collaborate and communicate faster. And if you try to build a system like with all the required features, then you will have to hire developers. And it will cost you a lot of money. It is where Cloudpresenter comes into play. In this tool, you can host your video files, virtual events, and online meetings also. It provides you with a lot of features. Let's dive deep into it. Add your branding. If you are running a business, then you will obviously want to spread your branding as much as possible. So it will become mandatory for you to add your branding to your office software also. That is the uniqueness of Cloudpresenter, because Cloudpresenter lets you customize a lot of things that other tools doesn't let you do. Like you can add your logo to the platform. There is a dedicated option called to branding to do all of these settings on Cloudpresenter. So you can see that you can change a lot of things. But that's not it. There is a lot of other things that you can change. You can change the account center colors to match your brand's color. You can even change the virtual room colors at ease. All cloud-based. One of the problems that everyone faces is a hardware limitation. When you are running a heavy software or feature, then you will need a powerful computer. But if you need to provide powerful computers to all of your employees, then it will be very much costly for your business. Also, softwares are like a Zoom brings update after a few months and then everyone needs to update their software. But the Cloudpresenter doesn't have any of these problems. It is a totally cloud-based platform, so you don't need any software to install or any powerful hardware to run it. You can run it from any web browser. Cloudpresenter Meeting feature. This is a very powerful and robust feature of Cloudpresenter. Everyone needs to launch online meetings nowadays. And if you want to host a meeting in the future, then sometimes scheduling it is a very good idea. You can directly launch your meetings or you can schedule them with Cloudpresenter. But that's not it. Cloudpresenter provides you way more feature for virtual meetings. Camera and microphone. If you are in a meeting, you have to communicate with the other persons. That's why Cloudpresenter lets you add your camera and microphone. So everyone in the meeting will be able to hear your sound and see you through the camera. Raise hand. And sometimes you need to bring others' attention, make them know that you have a very good idea. That's why Cloudpresenter has raising hand feature. Your attendees can raise their hand and draw your attention towards them. Chat feature. Chat feature is very much important for online meetings. When the presenter is presenting an idea, if other persons talk, then it will be a problem in the meeting. But if they communicate by text, then they won't need to wait for the meeting to end or use chatting platforms like Messenger or WhatsApp to communicate. That's why Cloudpresenter have the chatting feature. You can chat with other attendees during the meeting with this feature. Q&A feature. Another common problem that everyone faces is that when a meeting is running, attendees sometimes have questions in their mind. So if they just turn on their mic and ask the question, then it will actually disturb the presenter and also other attendees. That's why there is a question and answer feature on Cloudpresenter. The attendees can ask questions with this feature and the presenter will answer between his presentation. Other attendees can also see the questions and they can also filter them out. Cloudpresenter live streaming. If you want to do publicity of your company, then you may want to go live on your YouTube channel or Facebook page. And we all know how much a hardware power it requires to go live. You will need to open your YouTube channel and then go live. But now you don't need to do that. You can directly go live with the Cloudpresenter. You just need to provide the streaming key and you will be live in a few moments. Invite people. Inviting our participants is another feature that we all want for online meeting tools. In softwares like Zoom, you need to copy your meeting's invitation code and then send it to your participants through Messenger or WhatsApp or email. But now you don't need to do that. You can directly invite your participants from the platform. You just need to paste their name and email ID. Cloudpresenter will automatically send invitation emails to those emails. You can also copy the meeting link and send it manually. Cloudpresenter screen sharing. The ability to share your screen is a must feature to have for online meeting tools. We can show the things to our attendees by sharing our screen. Cloudpresenter whiteboard. There is also a whiteboard feature in Cloudpresenter. In the meeting, you can open the whiteboard and write anything on it. The whiteboard has also a lot of features, like you can draw lines with brushes, draw shapes, add text, and many more other features. Cloudpresenter recording. This feature is amazing and powerful also. Now you don't need to install screen recording softwares to record your meetings. In the traditional way, you would record your screen and then upload it to Google Drive or other cloud storage platforms to share it with other persons. Now you can directly record your meeting with the Cloudpresenter. The recordings will be saved on cloud, so you can easily share them with their link. You don't need to upload them manually. You can also download the recordings. Virtual background. Have you ever noticed that how ugly it looks like while the background is not appealing in our meetings? It actually ruins all the impression that we create. That's why Cloudpresenter lets you add virtual background to your video. The removal of your background and adding that virtual background will also happen in the cloud servers. You don't need it to remove the background by other software. Cloudpresenter will do it for you. Add media files. You mean all the want to show all media files from your computer. In that case, you can upload the media files to Cloudpresenter Meeting, and then you can share the media files. So you can upload all the media files at once and then present them one by one in the meeting. Create polls. Sometimes we need to know the opinion of the attendees of our meeting. And if they turn on mics and give their opinion, then it will create disturbance. In that case, you can just create a poll. Then all the attendees will be able to provide their opinion at ease. Cloudpresenter costs $12 per month for the professional plan. But you don't need to pay every month, because there is a lifetime deal of it has been launched on Appsumo.